Hey guys, so about I think yesterday, I got I ordered a GAN 11M Pro, and here it is. Here's my old old speed cube that I used to use. It's already fast, but it's sometimes I don't sometimes it locks up a lot. So today I have the GAN 11M Pro. Don't worry, I already know how to solve this. I know how to solve the cube. Technical difficulty. There, got it open. I'm gonna get this stuff off. There. Okay, so finally, here it is. Come on, we're waiting for you, bro. Waiting forever. Here it is. A cool card thing. Don't know what this is. Ultimate PB Renewer. Yes. I'm gonna keep this, it looks so cool. Beginner tutorial for $5. Why would you even buy this if you don't even know how to solve a cube? And here it is. It's so beautiful. All you have to do is press these buttons right here. These two. There's like two of these buttons. It's so beautiful. It's so light. Oh. It feels so weird. Probably because the lube hasn't broken in yet. It's so light. Oh. This is so good. Oh, and here, right here, on these corners, you can, I don't know if you can see on camera, but right here it shows little settings that you can use to change the magnet strength. So right now it's set to 2, and in this box, pretty sure there's the stuff I need right here. More technical difficulties. Got it open. Finally. This cool bag stuff. Smallest screwdriver in the world. Instructions on how to solve the cube. And more stuff. So, let me see here. A lot of stuff. This is how to do stuff, I guess. Magnet stuff, tension stuff. Yeah, that kind of stuff, you know? This is how to solve a cube. Just stuff, you know? Okay, so this is really light. It's bigger than my original. J-perm. T-perm. It is so light. So, let me see. Right here, in this, there's the stuff you use. I can't. Oh, also, in this, it's just weird. I don't know what I did. But yeah. So, what the? Weird. At least it's better than the excess box. Yeah, more technical. Did it? Open the box. So here, I think there's 6. Yeah, there's 6 of these. These are the GES nuts. They're supposed to, like, the light blue, it has 1 and 3 tension settings. And on these, it has the 2 and 4 tension settings. These have the even, these have the odd. And this tiny mini screwdriver is used to change the magnet strength. So 3 is for the highest magnet and 1 is the lowest. So if you go on 3, oh, it's so strong. And if you go on 1, which I'm trying to do. Okay, there. You have to do it on all the sides. You set it on 1, it's the weakest magnet strength. And it's like it still has magnets, but like it's so weak. So I think 2 is probably the best because you don't want to have your magnets really strong, you know. Because there's just a lot of resistance when you try to do algorithms. So it's so hard. I did it all the way to 3. There, got it to 2. No, okay, got that one to 2. Because it's so hard to do it, because like you're not gonna like frequently keep changing it, are you? You just stick to 1 magnet setting and you stick with it. So if I put this back, it's so hard. I've never done this before. Yeah, I think you have to put it in specifically there. Yeah, so. Oh yeah, I know. Do a solve. Okay. Do a solve. I haven't done cubing in a long time, so my solves are probably gonna be slower, but here we go. I don't have the timer right now. Okay. So, yeah. So, that's basically it for today. So, yeah.